Exactly. You saw that right. This is a very fake background, and I'm here to show you how you can achieve that with just 3 apps for absolutely free. Everything you see here is fake, from the MacBook Pro to the microphone to the table and to the background, as well as this chair that I'm sitting on is actually fake. I'm actually sitting on a stool right now, but because of the advancement of I get the opportunity to put myself in a professional studio without actually being in a professional studio. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve that for absolutely free. First thing you need to do is go to your ChatGPT app and tell it to generate an image for you. Basically, tell it what you want it to include in that image. So it generated this image for me, but I did not want the table, so I told it that it should remove the table and the chair. And I like this image, and then I had to download it to my gallery. So the next thing you want to do after that is to ask ChatGPT to generate another image for you with those equipment, basically generating an image that has those equipment you want to include in your video. So it generated this chair, but I felt it was more of an office chair, which is why I went to the second app. Google Image Effects is a very affordable, in fact, it's a free app that is used for generating images. So I'm just going to copy and paste that prompt that I put in ChatGPT. I'm going to put it here and then generate the chair. I don't like this chair, so I had to change the prompt to a gaming chair. And after that, you're going to adjust the prompt. You can just say, okay, generate the an adjustable microphone or a MacBook Pro, just anything you want to include in your video, just put it here and it will generate that for you. So after that, you just want to download it and then you go to the next step. Then the next step is to open your CapCut, go to new project, and then go to photos. You want to import that background that you have already downloaded and saved in your gallery. So once you import it, it should look like this. The next thing you want to do is to scroll to overlay and then click add overlay. Then you go to your video section and select the video that you want to use. So I'm going to scroll and then select the video. I'm sure it's this one, and then I'm going to click add. Then I'm going to make sure that I enlarge it to fit the frame, and then I'm going to scroll to remove BG, which is remove background, then auto removal. Make sure your data is on. Actually, you need your data to do this, and then you're going to remove the background and it's going to look like this. The next thing you're going to do is to go to add overlay. So you're going to go to your photos and add those photos of those equipments that you have saved in your phone, and then you're going to add it to this video. You're just going to do the same thing that you did before, removing of background and making it look real. So you're just going to remove the background from the share, and as well as removing the background from the microphone. Then you're going to enlarge it. Make sure you increase it to look real. All right, you don't want to have a big face and then your laptop is very tiny. So you're just going to make sure it looks it has a appropriate size, and then after that you're going to increase when you're sure that the size is okay, you go to the chair and increase the chair as well. You can see that the chair is actually on my head, but don't worry, we are going to fix the position later. Just make sure you increase the size, and then to fix the position you have to go to layer. Then after that you're going to press and hold the chair, and then you move it to the third place, and you can see how the chair went behind me. So that's basically how you're going to do it. And then you go to export, you export the video, and that will be all for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share this video, like this video, and subscribe to this amazing channel. And also leave a comment that you learned something new today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.